Oh, Daniel, you did it. Okay. Hey, get here.
Okay.
Mom, you can't do it.
Happy birthday. Подожди, how many? 6? Yeah. So, what is it? Is it your birthday today?
Almost.
Yes, it is.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Maria. Hey, don't do that. Happy birthday to you.
She's 1 year old. She's 4 years old.
Good.
And she's 6 years
Oh, Mom, remember when I was 5, I blew it all out in one? When I was turning 5?
old. Hey, stop.
Hey!
That's
All right.
not your piece.
Daniel,